In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address on Namecheap. Let's dive right into the process, which will be quick and straightforward, taking just about 5 minutes of your time. First, you'll need to start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Namecheap website. Once you've typed in namecheap.com and arrived at their homepage, it's time to log in using your credentials. Simply click on the sign in button and enter your username and password. This will bring you to your account dashboard. Once you are logged in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen. Here, you will find your username next to the Contact Us button. Clicking on your username will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select Dashboard. This is where you'll manage most of your account settings. Now let's refine the view a bit by focusing on the left-hand panel of your dashboard. Scroll through this side panel until you locate the Profile section. Give that a click. When your profile section is in view, look for the security option in the menu that appears. Clicking on security will bring you to the area where you can manage your account's personal information. Next, look for the section labeled Basic Info. Here you will see your primary email address. To the right of it, you'll notice an Edit button. Go ahead and click on Edit to proceed with changing your email address. In the window that appears, you'll need to enter your new email address along with your current Namecheap password. It's crucial to ensure that this new email address is not already associated with another Namecheap account. If it is, you'll encounter an error message prompting you to use a different email. Once you've entered the new email and your password, confirm everything and click on Change Email. At this point, a confirmation link will be sent to the new email address you just entered. To finalize the change, you'll need to go to your new email inbox and locate the confirmation email from Namecheap. Before you click that confirmation link, make sure you remain logged into your Namecheap account. Clicking the link while logged in will expedite the updating of your email information. And there you have it, a quick yet thorough guide on how to update your email address on Namecheap. If you follow these steps, the process should be seamless and uncomplicated. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more handy how-tos.